Gakpetor Daniel Kekeli, final year.
The first step in the extraction of iron from its ore, pyrites or pyrites, FeS2, involves roasting the ore in the presence of oxygen to form iron 3 oxide and sulfur 4 oxide. Give a balanced equation for this reaction. PRESEC.
4FeS2 plus 11O2 going to 2Fe2O3 plus 8SO2.
That is correct. PRESEC. Phosphorus 5 oxide, P4O10, reacts with water to form tetraoxosulfate 5 acid. Give a balanced equation for the reaction. Kekeli.
P4O10 plus 6H2O going to 4H3PO4.
That is correct. What is the active chemical in dynamite? PRESEC.
Nitroglycerin.
That is correct. What is the thermal efficiency of a heat engine which absorbs 800 kilojoules of heat at a hot bath and rejects 600 kilojoules of heat? PRESEC.
25%.
That is correct. Find the equation of a curve with gradient dy dx equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 and passing through the origin. PRESEC.
The equation is given by y equals x cubed minus x squared plus x.
That is correct. I am a compound statement formed from two simple statements. I'm true in 3 out of 4 instances. I'm characterized by the connective or. PRESEC.
Disjunction.
That is correct.
Preamble to all schools. Each school will be given the atomic number of an unnamed element X. Predict the formula of its oxide and state whether it is likely to be ionic or covalent, given your reason. Element with atomic number 15. Gakpetor.
The formula for the oxide is X2O5 and it is a covalent oxide. This is due to the low electronegativity difference between the element X and oxygen, and the fact that the element X has a high ionization energy and oxygen has a high electron affinity, and this favors the sharing of electrons between X and O to form a covalent oxide.
2 out of 3. Preamble to all schools. A and B are acute angles with sine of A equals half and cosine of B equals half. Find, with the same preamble, tangent of the expression A minus B. Gakpetor.
Negative √3/3.
Yes. When I get to your school, I will mention a plant. You let me know the type of placentation that is found in fruits of the plant I mentioned. Sunflower. Gakpetor.
Is our placentation.
Yes. The mean free time between electron collisions in copper is 2.4 times 10 raised to the power negative 14 seconds. Find the magnitude of electric field for which the drift velocity in copper has a magnitude of 16 meters per second. Gakpetor.
3.8 kilojoules volts per meter.
Yes. A hot mixture of aqueous potassium tetraoxosulfate 6, suspension of calcium hydroxide, and carbon 2 oxide, all under pressure, react to give potassium methanoate and solid calcium tetraoxosulfate 6. Please give a balanced equation for the reaction. Gakpetor.
K2SO4 plus CaOH subscript 2 plus 2CO going to 2KCOOH plus CaSO4.
You're right. In humans, when there is an increase in environmental temperature, the skin receptors trigger thermoreceptors of the hypothalamus to increase loss of heat in the body. Explain what happens in the following situations to ensure heat loss. Vasodilation. Gakpetor.
When the temperature of the human body is high, vasodilation occurs. That is, the blood vessels supplying blood to the skin increase in their diameter, and this enables more blood to flow through them to the skin and outer regions of the body, where the heat they carry can be dissipated to the environment in order to cool down the body.
2 out of 3. The cells at the root tip of a certain plant was found to contain 24 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosomes in the aileron? Yes, Gakpetor.
36 chromosomes.
Yes.